Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Director General of Police ka Jilla Dr. L.R. Bishnoi IPS habakran chigilat pathai khubor mentakasngi halor ka jingkali baki gilat baki pulet kile yagi patok hapo ka Jilla banlat na ka jingphet tu ki koidi ula jubab da ka baong bahakini ki khendiat por habakhen lang baro ki balalat phet tu na patok Jowai ki long hinyongud ulai thu baha Jowai kasien ka baningkong ka deha ka por po weu koidi ula lat ban phet balayo kem biang u balara u William Nagar bat kasien ka baar ka de ka jinglat phet tu jong ki Henry ngot ki bala syakem bat saw na ki laklat no adin ka jing syak bom snong ha ki pat ba ulaong balat na kum kini ki kam balat phet ki koidi ula pha da ka kunhun jo ki officer ki bala khamrang ba ban pet banya bat lalap ba ki CCTV camera kim Treikam Shuh ha ka te ka jaka Shuh ulaong bana kalyang ki pulet ki lapan Pynkhlaiñ ka bor Pahara khnang ba ki la ban Pahara ha ka por mensngi bat menmiet.
What steps are being taken to ensure to prevent jailbreaks in Meghalaya? Because jailbreaks is frequent incidents in Meghalaya.
Yes, you are very. I agree with you that in the Jowai, West Jhantiari districts, the Jowai, I think in the first case, the one duty was escaped, and that was captured again, and now he has been transferred to the William Nagar jail. And in second case, the 6 accused escaped. Out of that, unfortunately, 4 were lynched by the police and 2 were re-escaped. So to overcome this, I have sent a team of senior officers to inspect the jail. And during their inspection, they found that most of the CCTVs were non-functional. And we have strengthened the security deployment, and so that the more points can be covered day and night. And we have suggested the jail authority the installation of certain lights at certain crucial points. And we have also noticed that connivance of the jail staff, second case, and accordingly, immediately, the district police, they found some evidence, and the 4 persons were arrested for jails, and they were forwarded into judicial custody. The case is under investigation. I have requested IG Prisons to inspect all the jails and what to be required to strengthen the jail security. So he will submit the report, and after that we will sit together and discuss. The ILW thong was basically involved in the killing of local taxi drivers. Some vehicles were stolen from Assam and sold in the Meghalaya. Those kinds of vehicles were recovered in the Garo Hill districts also, in the East Khasi district. But vehicles taking from here to Assam, then changing the Assam registration number, and then coming back to Meghalaya, and then using, those kind of inputs are not in my hands. But we will look into it. Definitely we will try to find it.
In the investigation of Giant Hill West Police, it seems that they have found such lead, and one person has not been arrested till date from Karimganj.
Now that assistant of the ILW Thang was from Padakali. I agree with you that is yet to be arrested. But the vehicles were local. Vehicles were local taxis used by the Meghalaya drivers, not from the Assam side. But assistant, I agree with you that assistant was from Padakali, and we are on the process to arrest him. So CCTV basically problem is that the monitoring of CCTV is not done directly by the police because technical aspect is there. So our folks on the streets, they are not able to know which CCTV is functional, which is not. So we can take the help of expert and sometimes go for joint inspection so that at least we can know how many CCTV are functional and how many are out of order. Accordingly, we can recommend the repairing or reinstallation.
So,
we have organized many meetings with Rombashnong, Darwashnong, Bongshnong, and in Nokma in Garo Hill districts area. So we have requested them if they have capacity to install their CCTV in their respective locality. So police can coordinate with them, assist them, facilitate them. Jointly we can work, no problem.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. PMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, Be the change. Support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.